Hello Aquarius, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star, and welcome to your reading. So Aquarius, this is your reading for the next 3 months, and this is a general reading. Take what resonates, only what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid. In this reading, Aquarius will see what are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know. There is an extended reading for this one. Link for the same is in description box and comment section. Okay. And I'm shuffling the cards, I'll lay them down and then we'll see what you need to know. Also, Aquarius, if you're interested in getting done a personal reading with me, you can get in touch with me over the mail. The details of the same are in a description box and comment section, Aquarius. Let's get started now. Let's see what you need to know for the next 3 months, Aquarius. What are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know for the next 3 months? What are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know for the next 3 months? We have Empress, the Queen of Pentacles. These are too many cards. I'm gonna take some. We have Lovers, one more card. Eight of Pentacles, the Strength, a lot of major arcana. Six of Swords, bottom of the deck, Two of Cups. Interesting, very interesting. All right, Aquarius. So you might be dealing with Libra, Gemini, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Virgo, Leo. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. You might see a lot of 888, a lot of 222, 22, 22, 333, 33, 33. Number 6 is of some importance. So, what you need to know for the next 3 months, Aquarius? Looks like the next 3 months are going to be magical. If I have to talk about overall energy, or the theme for the next 3 months, I do feel like it's all about you becoming a very powerful version of yourself. You getting closer to the highest version of yourself over the period of next 3 months. You becoming this magnet for wealth. You becoming magnet for abundance, happiness, joy, money, love, power, strength. You're becoming a magnetic force, unstoppable magnetic force for the next 3 months. There is a very solid energetic shift that is happening. Okay. And this energetic shift is happening because of the fact that you have passed certain tests. You have overcome major cycles in your life and you did not complain about those difficult cycles, difficult periods. Those difficult cycles, difficult periods took place in your life as a result of past life karma, uh, and you repaying the debts of past life karma. Also, you rising up, you getting closer to your highest version. It was very, for you to get closer to your highest version, it was very important for you to go through some very challenging phases, extreme challenges, extreme difficult situations in your life, which will finally allow you to get closer to who you are truly meant to be. You're meant to be someone very magical in this lifetime, Aquarius, and you haven't found anyone so far who can match your energy. Like 101% sure. You might be a globe trotter, you might have traveled across the world, you might have visited many countries, you probably might you are a part of, your job requires you to deal with many people on day to day basis. Irrespective of that, you have always felt like I have never met anyone who can match my energy, who is like me, or who can be like me. No, you haven't met that. Okay. You found certain potential in your exes, but never felt like they can match you in future. But now for the next 3 months, Aquarius, you are in this energy where not only you are getting closer to your highest version, but the struggles are coming to an end. The struggles are coming to an end because your aura is becoming so powerful and so magnetic. You're vibrating at such a high energetic level, at a high frequency, that you're literally attracting all positive things like a magnet. Money is coming towards you like a magnet. Love is coming towards you like a magnet. Your wishes are getting fulfilled. Your manifestations are turning into a reality. Okay, you're becoming a powerful person. People are recognizing you. People probably are feeling intimidated by you and getting a bit scared of you. There is something that is happening. There is a major change that is happening. You might not understand that, but people around you are able to understand it very well. For them, in their eyes, it's a remarkable difference. It's a remarkable shift that is happening. All right, this is what the overall energy is. Now let's try to deep dive into other messages. Talking about your love life, love and romance. Like I said, you are in this powerful energy where you're attracting people like magnet towards you. Okay, you definitely, you're not chasing love. You're not at all chasing love. Your days of chasing love are over. Over. That cycle, that long cycle has come to an end. Okay, you will notice people are literally hovering around you. People are getting attracted towards you like crazy. You just enter a room and you don't even have to do anything. You don't even have to open your mouth. You just exist over there, and people are getting drawn towards you like crazy. You will notice many people wanting you romantically. And it is also pretty possible, Aquarius, that you will get a lot of romantic proposals. People will ask you out on dates. Not only they will ask you out on dates, but you know what, in 1 or 2 days dates, or in 1 week, 10 days, people might even start proposing you. I do see you going out on a lot of dates. Yes, I see you going out on a lot of dates. Okay, I see you talking to a lot of people romantically, and I mean, the kind of conversations that happen during dates. But you will be also very fast in rejecting people. Very, very fast in rejecting people. Okay, because like I said, you're vibrating at such a high frequency that you will right away, you will know uh, who is right for you, who is not right, or who is not meant for you. Okay, some of them might become your friends. Some of them will feel like, okay, I really like Aquarius, I'm actually romantically inclined towards Aquarius, but I don't think so I stand a chance with Aquarius. So if not romantic, at least let me be Aquarius's friend, but I want to be associated with Aquarius by hook or by crook. You will also make a lot of new friends. There is someone that is coming towards you romantically who is going to be your perfect match, the love of your life, right? This person is coming towards you as your reward for you passing all the test. Okay, you clearing all the test, you showing a lot of patience, you not complaining about anything, you overcoming challenges and obstacles. You being who you are. Divine is trying to send someone new towards you in the next 3 months. I do see a very significant romantic union happening, which will last for a lifetime. A significant romantic union is happening. Okay. Now, because there is a shift in your energy, because you're almost moving on, people from the past will be rushing towards you. Everyone who had a chance with you but could not succeed in having a romantic relationship with you because of whatever they did to you, they are trying to come back. They're like, no, you cannot move on, Aquarius. I want you. I'm mad for you. I'm crazy for you. I want you. I love you. Stay. Be with me. But you have this awesome person that is coming towards you with whom you will experience fantastic compatibility. Okay. Not only there is going to be this equal give and take, but for the very first time, you will feel like this person is my energetic match. For the first time in your lifetime, you might be in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, whatever your age is, doesn't matter. For the first time, you will feel, Aquarius, like this person is my energetic match. And you will get lot of signs and synchronicities before meeting this person. Trust me, you'll see a lot of 11, 11. You'll see a lot of 22, 22 or 222. Okay, you might see a lot of birds. You might have dreams about this person. You might even have dreams about a past life that you shared with this person. You might feel something different in the air. You might start getting closer to the nature. You will start sensing growth in your finances and income. Okay, your body will start feeling happy. Your body will feel happy from inside. Your soul will feel happy from inside. Your body will, if at all for no reasons you were feeling sick, your body will start to recover on its own. That is going to be a major sign that this person is not far away. Okay. People from the past will try to come back, Aquarius, no doubt about it. People from the past will be like, I want to be with you. Don't go, Aquarius. Come back and stay and all that stuff. Okay. Let's reunite. I'm sorry. You'll get apologies. I also feel like your old exes will also try to come back. And you'll be like, what the fuck is going on? Let's talk about your money. I do see a very strong, consistent growth in your money. Your pentacles are increasing. Empress, you are coming across as someone who is very comfortable with whatever is happening in your life. The monetary situation is looking very good. If at all you were stressed out when it comes to your money, if at all you were not happy with the way uh, money is coming your way, or like the kind of growth you're experiencing when it comes to money, that is going to go away. Struggles are going to go away. Dissatisfaction related to money, career, and growth is going to go away. Money is happening, but I also see at the same time there is a lot of hard work. You're putting in the hard work. You're putting in consistent hard work. There is relentless hard work that is going on over here. Okay. Not only that, I also see that you're making a mark for yourself. You're becoming a powerful person when it comes to your career. Like people will start recognizing you and people will start admiring you for whatever you're doing. People will be like, Aquarius, that's the person. You can blindly trust that person. There is a good reputation that is coming your way. With you will be that highly reputable person within your community. If you're a social media person over there, you will be highly reputable and all that stuff. So I see a very good positive. You're building on a positive reputation for yourself. Okay, and you're investing into building this positive reputation for yourself, right? I also see you investing into people. I do see you networking a lot, and you won't mind spending money on people. That is one thing. You will spend money, but you will know that the money that I'm spending right now will come back to me eventually, because this is not just the money that I'm spending. I'm investing money into someone. and this person will remember that I did spend money on him or her. Sometime in the future, maybe this money will come back to me from that person in some or the other way. Okay, through work, through business, profession, personally, however it is. But you're trying to build people's asset. That's what I'm feeling. What Aquarius needs to know regarding the new person that is coming towards Aquarius? Five of Cups, we have the Page of Pentacles. This person has come a long way, trust me. Okay, yeah, they had to go through a lot in their life to be wherever they are right now, and I think so, consciously, subconsciously, that's what you are looking out for. You don't want a person who had a very easy going life. You are consciously looking out for a person who has been through a lot of setbacks in their life, because you have been through like that. I mean, you have been through multiple setbacks and you have grown as a human being. You have reached a certain level of maturity and understanding because of the setbacks and the downfalls you have seen in your life, and you have picked yourself up every single time. So you know how it feels, what kind of a journey you have taken, and you want someone who has also gone through a similar journey. Okay, you don't want arrogant bastards to come your way. I'm just sorry for my language, I'm so sorry. Okay, that was a slip of tongue. So I do feel like, yeah, you want to have a very happy life with this person, and to enjoy time with this person, you really want someone who has gone through a lot, at the same time who has shown that ability to pick himself or herself up, and now who is doing good for himself or herself. Okay. For many of you, this person is like a rags to riches story. Yeah. For some of you, there is a very small possibility of reconciling with someone from the past if that's your divine counterpart. Okay. What else you need to know for the next 3 months? Yeah, you're healing from any kind of heartbreak that you have experienced, right? So let's see. Uh, what are the current thoughts and feelings of the person on your mind? Heartbreak. I hate myself for believing in you again and again. Then fresh start. I'm in love with you. Will you be my base? Someone from the past who wants to have a fresh start with you. Acceptance. I accept you with all your flaws and be my world. Separation. Difficult to cope up with your attitude right now. All right. I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Till then, take care. Have a great time. And bye bye, guys. Let me show you the cards. Link for the extended is in description box and comment section. If you're interested in getting done a private reading with me, you can get in touch with me over the mail. Okay. This is your spread. Take care. Have a great time and bye.